Let's get straight into it and press the ETL button in the Apromore portal. From here we can see that we have 3 files uploaded already. We are now going to join the files. We will join the incident file with all its activities through an inner join. Next we will select the keys to connect the 2 files together. In this case that will be the incident idea. We click the plus sign to connect the interaction file to the log. The same way we connected the previous files. We use an inner join and find the keys to connect the 2 files. In this case the incident idea and the related incident key. Now the 3 files are connected, we can press submit. We can now see the attributes in the new log file. Scroll to the right to see all attributes. Next step is transformation. Here we select the fields we want to include in the log file for our process mining investigation. Make sure we selected a minimum, case idea, event, and timestamp. We can also include event and case attribute fields to the log file. In this case we add impact, urgency, priority, and the event handle time in seconds. Now let's add a new column and label it as score. This will be the result of the urgency, impact, and priority. To do so, click on the Edit Rules button and then choose the multiplication option from the default dropdown. Select the respective columns. In this case we are multiplying the impact, the urgency, and the priority. Click on OK to apply the rule. We can now see the results in our new score attribute. The next step is to load the file. To load the file we need to select the case ID and the activity. The end timestamp is automatically detected. And now we can click on Upload Log. Let us call the file Incident Management. We can also select the destination folder. In this case, we save it in the home folder. Click on Upload to finish the process.